In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and export a report in Kreo using Google Chrome. We'll go from opening the site to logging in, selecting your project, creating the report, and finally exporting it to your computer. Make sure you have your login details ready and that you know which project you want to report on. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, I type kreo.net and press enter. This takes you to Kreo's homepage. On the landing page, look for the Login button and click it. On the login screen, enter your email and password, then click Log In. If you use any password manager, it may fill those fields for you. Once you're in, you'll see your list of projects. Next, click the name of the project you want to work with. This opens your project workspace where you'll build your report. On the bottom left of the interface, find the option that says Create Report or Generate Report. Depending on your version, you may see one label or the other, but both take you to the same reporting flow. Click it to begin. You'll be asked to select the report type. Choose the option that best fits your purpose. For example, a summary-style report works well for quick overviews, while a detailed type is better if you need more granular information. After choosing the type, click Create. You'll then select the report sheet you want to use. Think of the report sheet as the template or layout that defines how your data will be organized. Now decide which items or sections to include. This is where you tailor the content. Pick only what matters for your audience so the report stays focused and readable. If you're unsure, start with the essentials and you can refine it later. Next, choose your output format. PDF is ideal for sharing and preserving layout, while Excel is great for further analysis or editing. Select the format that best matches how you plan to use the file. When you're ready to save it, go to the top left of the screen and click the three dots icon, sometimes called More Options. From the menu, select Export, then choose Download. Kreo will prepare the file and your browser will save it to your computer. By default, most browsers place downloads in the Downloads folder, but if Chrome is set to ask where to save, just confirm your preferred location. That's it. You've opened Kreo, logged in, selected your project, created the report, customized its contents, chosen a format, and exported it to your PC. If you need to create another report, you can repeat these steps and adjust the type, sections, or format to match your next task.